That was not as smooth as I want. I got another quarantine package. I've got the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2020 right here, and I am going to unbox it for you guys because I said on my Instagram, and if you don't follow my Instagram, go follow it. I post not often, but I'm going to try and post as much as I can. I always post when I upload there, so go check out that. But I've got the iPad to unbox. I got my Apple Pencil that I have right here, obviously. I got this a while ago, my dad did. And yes, this is my dad's iPad. I did not purchase this. And as you guys know, I got the 2018 11-inch iPad about a month ago now. And so I use that, and so my dad's got the brand spanking new one. He also ordered the Magic keyboard, and that'll be in about a week or so. So I'll also unbox that for you guys and show you how it works with the iPad connected to it. But let's get unboxed. Dang. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge! He got the iPad Pro 12.9-inch with the 256 gigabyte space gray, I'm pretty sure, and just Wi-Fi, no cellular, but you can get cellular with these, so... Oh, here's the pull tab. Oh, that wasn't very satisfying. I'll do the Apple Pencil at the end because if you saw my last video, you already saw me unbox the Apple Pencil, so here is the box. This part is always the hardest part. I can't get it off. Woohoo! Here it is. So here is the iPad, and yep, space gray. But let's get into the box first. So we've still got the instructions manual with the stickers, I'm pretty sure. I heard that these stickers are like huge. They are so big. And then we've got the charging cord. Pretty sure it's USB-C to USB-C. I'm pretty sure. And then the charging block that is designated for this. And that's going to be the hardest part to tell my dad about. Like, you cannot lose this cord and you cannot lose this block because it's the only things that work for your iPad. Because he's got the iPhone 7 still and all the regular, like, what am I trying to say? Like, the typical iPhone charger ports and blocks. And so I was just like, you cannot lose these. These are only for your iPad and my iPad, but I have my own. Okay. That is it for the box. Now let's take off this bad boy. Okay, so this is so beautiful. Look at that camera. Holy crap, this thing is huge. I am so beyond jealous. I love this iPad. There it goes. I ordered my dad a screen protector today, so that'll be here within the next few weeks because I ordered it off of Amazon. I got him a paper-like screen protector. Okay, before we go any further, I'm going to unbox this. That way I can get it all set up. Apple Pencil. All ready to go. This thing is huge. Now, stop manually. I never remember my password. Okay, so I'll take my iPad out of its case. So this is my iPad. It fits nice in my hand. And this is, if you guys would like to see me do a video comparing the iPad Pro 2018 11-inch to the iPad Pro 2020 12.9-inch, let me know down in the comments or on Instagram. Okay, let's continue setting up. While this is loading, let's take off these. Now let's take off. I could have done that more gracefully. But here is your charging cord and your charging block. Just normal things you get in the packaging. Okay, so here, and don't worry about me skipping through all of this stuff and thinking, oh, your dad just set this up so he knows how to use it. I have my iPad and I've been showing him how to use the controls on my iPad, and he already knows that I'm gonna have to teach him a lot of this stuff for the next week or so he can get in the feel of it. But I'm assuming tonight he's gonna be playing with this iPad a lot. And that's it. It's all set up. I'm probably gonna turn off the double tap feature. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the double tap feature on my iPad, so I'm just gonna turn it off for him because I know it would get kind of annoying. Because it got really annoying for me. I would just be writing and I'd accidentally double tap it, or I'd try to double tap it and it wouldn't work, or you know, like when you're sitting there and you're twiddling with your pen, I would do that and it'll double tap it, and it was just very, 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 very annoying. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch. That's it. That's all there is. I set it up, I unboxed it. If you would like to see a 1-week review for this, let me know. If you would like to see a comparison of the 2018 to the 2020 and the 11 inch and the 12.9, let me know, because I will gladly do that for you. I probably will anyways. But that is it for this video. So if you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, I hope if you guys have an iPad that you enjoy it and you love it as much as I love my iPad. It just feels so baby compared to this big one. It's crazy. Crazy. Okay, I need to stop talking about this stuff. I might steal my dad's iPad. I don't know. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.